This is a continuation from desktop publishing using MSWord Part 1. I have that document open, and I'm going to go ahead and do a file save as and call it the same name but Part 2. So Office button, save as, and go down to the file name, remove the 1 and put a 2, and I'll save it to my desktop. And if you would also save it to your desktop. I'm going to be working on steps 7, 8, and 9. So the first thing I'm going to do is create a header on section 1. I'm on section 1. I'm going to create a header, so insert, header, edit header, and type in word processing. Hit the tab key. At the center, I'm going to put the date, so I'm going to go to date and time, the fourth type, and then hit tab again. And at the right margin, I'm going to put in the page number. So the word page, followed by a space, and then I'm going to go to page number, current position, and choose plain number. And I'm going to go Alt 9 for a moment. If I hold the Alt key down and hit F9 on the top row, do you see how it actually shows the code? If I just typed a 1 there, every page would have said page 1. To turn this code off, I'm going to hold the alternate key down again and strike F9, and that'll toggle it off. Okay, I'm going to go to, this also says to not have it print on the first page, so I need to click up here on different first page, and here's the first page header of section 1. Okay, let me take a look now at my other document. If I go show next, do you see how I still have, but it's turned into page 2? If I go back to previous section, here's my first page with no header, which is exactly what we want here. Okay, I'm going to go to section 2. Notice right now I'm in header of section 1. If I click next section, that will take me to section 2. Step number 8 says to create a header that says design features. Since I'm changing the text here, I need to take off same as previous. I click link to previous to do that. I can select this now. I can type in design features, and I'm done with this section. If I click next section, it will take me to the first page of section 3, and this happens to be page 5. As I do this now, I'm going to bring the zoom down just a bit because I want you to see that it still says same as previous. The reason the header looks so deep is because in this section we did a vertical center, so our text is down here halfway through the page. So to turn off same as previous, again click here, select the text you want to change, and we're going to type in layout and adjustments. And when we get down to the last step, that's when we'll adjust our tabs. And so at this point, I'm just going to close the header, and I'm going to save this. And this concludes part 2, which was dealing with the header portion.